Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Zoho CRM API connection from Postman, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Open Postman on your device. Navigate to the Collections tab on the left sidebar. Locate the collection related to Zoho CRM. Click on the collection to expand its details. Look for the environment drop-down at the top right corner. If there are any active environments associated with Zoho CRM, select them. Next, click on the three dots next to the collection name. From the drop-down menu, select Delete.
A confirmation dialog will appear.
Ensure this collection is the one you wish to remove. Click on the Delete button to confirm the action. Now, proceed to the Environments section in the left sidebar. Identify any environments tied to Zoho CRM. Hover over the environment name and click the three dots. Choose Delete from the options. Confirm the deletion in the pop-up. To ensure a complete uninstall, check the workspace settings. Open the Manage Environments tab. Look for any lingering variables related to Zoho CRM. Delete any variables you find. Finally, restart Postman to refresh the application. Your Zoho CRM API connection is now fully uninstalled from Postman.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.